This beef stir fry technique will change the way you stir fry beef. It's fast, it works on budget cuts, and the result tastes like you spent hours in the kitchen. I'm walking you through every step so that you can make it easily at any time. Let's start cooking. These are the ingredients you will need for this dish. Here is the star of the show. This is beef chuck tender, a cheaper cut of beef. Onions, green onions, garlic, baking soda, some sesame seeds for garnishing. This is beef chuck. There are two things you can do to tenderize this beef. First is to cut it against the grain. The grain runs this way. So, cut it this way. I'm cutting it with the grain first because this is quite a big piece. Then, I'll cut it across the grain. Now that it has been cut into a smaller piece along the grain, you can clearly see the grain running this way. Cut the beef into thin slices. If it's hard to cut because it's too soft, put your beef in the freezer for about 20 minutes. This will harden it a little and make it a lot easier for you to slice. The second thing you can do is to add baking soda to tenderize the meat. We'll add the baking soda together with the marinade. Marinate the beef with light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, baking soda, corn flour, and some water. Mix this really well till all the slices are coated. You can also add some chili flakes in here if you would like it to be a little spicy. You would want to massage the beef till all the water has been absorbed and the bottom is relatively dry. When the beef absorbs all the water, it becomes a lot more tender, plump, and juicy. Next, add in some oil. Make sure that you add the oil at the last step when all the seasoning has been mixed into the beef. Otherwise, the oil will act as a barrier and prevent the absorption of the seasoning. When done, set it aside. Next, cut the onions into large strips. Separate the onions. It is easier to separate the onions now than in the frying pan when you're frying it. Also, separate the white and green parts of the green onions. I'm splitting the white parts of the green onions in half, lengthwise, because it's rather thick. And this also exposes more surface area for stir frying. Cut them into 3-inch lengths. Do the same for the green parts. Roughly chop up the garlic. For the sauce, in some water, add in light soy sauce, oyster sauce, a dash of white or black pepper, corn flour. Stir the sauce till the corn flour dissolves. Then set it aside. To cook, put your pan over a high heat. When the pan is hot, add in some oil. And when the oil is hot, fry the onions and the white parts of the green onions. Season them with a little bit of salt and sugar. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes till they are slightly translucent. And a little charred. Something like this. Make sure you do not overcook them, as you want to maintain some of the crunch. When done, remove. In the same pan over high heat, there's no need to wash the pan here. Add in more oil. When the oil is hot, add in the beef. Spread the beef out in one layer at the bottom of the pan. Leave the beef there to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. When the bottom of the beef is cooked and has taken on a little color, something like this, turn the beef over and fry the other side. Add in your chopped garlic. Putting the garlic in now, rather than at the beginning of the stir fry, will prevent the garlic from burning. Fry the beef till it's almost done. Add in the sauce. But remember to give the sauce a good stir, because the corn flour would have settled to the bottom of the bowl by now. Give all this a good mix. Bring the sauce to a boil and it should thicken up in a few seconds. When the sauce is thickened, add in the onions and the green parts of the green onions. Give all this a good mix. Next, pour some sesame oil and Chinese cooking wine around the sides of the pan. You should be able to smell the aroma of the sesame oil and the Chinese cooking wine. Incorporate the sesame oil and the Chinese cooking wine into the ingredients. Turn off the heat, taste and adjust for seasoning. When it is the way you like it to be, we are done. And look at that, tender beef, perfectly cooked vegetables, and it took us less than 20 minutes from start to finish. This is exactly the kind of meat that makes busy weeknights manageable. You've got protein, you've got vegetables, and most importantly, you've got flavor that everyone at the table will actually enjoy. Serve this over rice and dinner is done. And that's it, tender flavorful beef stir fry that actually works on a busy schedule. If this video helped you, share this video with someone who needs a quick dinner solution. Want more quick and easy recipes? Check out these other videos right here. And I'll see you in my next one.